handle it quickly. If not, we'll continue.
Affirmative.
12-2.
Good thing we put those chains on.
You got that right.
Yeah.
That ain't no joke.
Huh?
That ain't no joke.
Well, the bad part is that crossover.
Said 81 was shut down there near the scales.
Oh, is it?
That was earlier. I don't know if it still applies now or not.
Oh, thank you.
Radio's below and can't understand what they're complaining.
Yeah,
74.7, Interstate 81 southbound, 1547.
put us on, see.
Engine 3. Engine 3, OC 1548.
Yeah, big lights up.